Because actually, one day my man, he had his hands in my hair and he was like,
"Oh my God, your hair is so soft. What do you use for it?"
And I was like,
"Well, I do this like rosemary and olive oil and jojoba oil mixture."
And he was like,
"You are really getting your money's worth."
Hey everyone, my name is Bree and this is the B-side. Today I really just want to tell you about my discovery, or not so much discovery, but my re-understanding of conditioner on my hair. So the story of conditioner in my locks is that I used to use conditioner all the time in my hair, in my loose natural hair, because I liked the way that it made my hair feel. I preferred co-washing over regular washing, but of course I regularly shampooed my hair often, the right way and the co-washing way. And when I got to locks, I thought I could just keep co-washing, but no. I soon discovered that my hair wasn't drying completely and it was stinking and a lot of bad things were happening to it. And so I stopped using conditioner and just started using hot oil treatments. Now, I didn't keep up the hot oil treatments at all. I bet if I had, I might be okay, but I didn't keep that up at all. And I didn't care. I didn't care to keep it up. I felt like my hair was great without it. So for the next, I would say 3 years, I've just been shampooing my hair, spraying it with an oil and water mixture every time I felt like it needed some hydration. Then I would apply color to it every now and again. I didn't have a conditioning or softening routine for my locks, and it's because I didn't think I needed one. Here I am now though, I'm in hair school and I was reading the book about conditioner and it made me feel like I needed to use conditioner. I needed to try it again. So I tried it. The first time I used it after I shampooed my hair, I really liked it. The way I did it though, I only put a little bit, probably like enough to, I mean not a little bit, I have a lot of hair compared to what I had before. So I put it right in the palm of my hand and I smushed it around all over my hands and I concentrated it on the end parts, not so much the top, but the end parts. Because actually, one day my man, he had his hands in my hair and he was like,
"Oh my God, your hair is so soft. What do you use for it?"
And I was like,
"Well, I do this like rosemary and olive oil and jojoba oil mixture."
And he was like,
You are really getting your money's worth."
So I didn't put the conditioner on this part because I feel like my roots and stuff, they get soft enough from what I do with it. But for this part, I did put some conditioner down there. I let it sit on there for 3 to 5 minutes, just like the package says, and then I rinsed it out. And oh my goodness, I really loved it. I loved it so much that the next time I shampooed my hair, I used it again. Maybe I should use it one shampoo and then don't use it the next shampoo, something like that. But I liked it. It did make my hair softer. It felt like it made it stronger as well. And I don't know what to say. I liked it. I know there's this trouble with buildup and we're all afraid that we're gonna have buildup in our locks and stuff like that. But let me see, do I care as much about preventing buildup as I do about having soft hair? Well, let me think about that. Let me try to answer that question really honestly. Before I had someone touching my hair, I cared less about it, okay? But now that I do have someone who touches my hair, I care more about it being soft and it's having the semblance of health because he touches my hair. So I don't know, I've changed and I'm on the conditioner boat, in the conditioner boat, on the sea of my lock journey. And I want to know what you all's opinions are. I'm not changing my hair for him. What initially piqued my interest in conditioner was reading about it in my natural hair textbook at the Institute of Beauty, which is Tennessee's first natural hair school. And after reading about it, I was like, wait, that'll make my hair softer? I got a reason to have softer hair, you know. So that's that story. Tell me how you all feel about conditioner in your locks. I know that you can go separate ways with this topic. Anyway, that's my idea about this. And if you have anything educational to say or any sort of opinion, comment, prophecy you want to make about what I just said in this video, please put it in the comments below, because I love to hear from you. And don't forget to take care of yourselves and each other. Bye.